Good morning, woodpeckers, and welcome to Mr. Noble's Phonics at Home. And today in our phonics, we've got a brand new digraph to learn. I wonder, can you spot my special friends anywhere around the room? Over there? Oh, good spot, woodpeckers. Let me get that. I wonder, do you know what that sound is? Let's say it together. Ready? Oh, fantastic. I heard you loud and clear. Great job. Now, say it when you see it. Fantastic. Great job, woodpeckers. Now, there's something you need to know about the sound. In the middle of words, the sound makes the sound. But at the end of the words, the sound can sound like Can you say that? Well done. Let's have a look at some words together. First, words in the middle. Herbs. Sprinkle your herbs. Great job. Next word. Person. Look at that person. Great job. Perfume. Spray your perfume. Now, words that make the sound at the end. Flower. Smell your flower. Letter. Read your letter. Hammer. Tap your hammer. Great job! Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that have the sound in the middle. Get ready. Spot the special friends. Off you go. Herb. Sprinkle your herbs. Great job. Next word. Spot the special friends. Off we go. Person. Look at that person. Next word. Spot the special friends. Off you go. Perfume. Spray your perfume. Tricky word, that one. Well done. Now we're going to read some words where the sound is at the end, but remember, it makes an Spot the special friends. Off we go. Letter. Read your letter. Next word. Spot the special friends. Off we go. Flower. Smell your flower. Great job. Last word. Spot the special friends. Off you go. Hammer. Tap your hammer. Well done, everybody. Great reading. Now, I've got a challenge for you. I wonder what items can you find around your house? Go and find an item that's got the sound in. I'm going to do it now. Pause the video and I'll see you in a minute with all your lovely items.